What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Trio Saucy. Look, that was weak. But what's up, y'all? Man, welcome to the Saucy Game, man. If you're new, man, my name Trio Saucy. For y'all who don't know who I am the Trio Saucy. All right, and go ahead and leave a like and subscribe just because I jumped over the couch like how I did. But yeah, man, we finna get lit. I just parachuted out of the sky. It was a little cold up there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we lit. That's all I really got to say. You know, I ain't really got to say too much for it because I'm more of a shower than the teller. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so by the title you can tell, we just finna do a it's a monkey app, and it's only available for iPhones, and you gotta sorry for the Android users. I don't think y'all can be able to use it yet. You know. I think whoever made the monkey app got something against Android, you know. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna jump in this video. Alright, so basically all it is just you FaceTiming people from around the world. What's up?
What's up?
Hey, can you do me a favor and rate me?
A fucking 10.
A 10? Right on, right on. You know what I'm saying? I think it's the light, cause you know nigga light skin. So 6, man. I don't believe that, dude. Like I just was telling y'all about that light. She just tried to watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Alright, so what? 1 for 1. We're gonna go to 10. Let's see. What's up? Hey, can you do me a favor and rate me? I'm doing a YouTube video.
You doing the YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can reach you.
Alright.
I'll do an 8. Like
An 8. An 8.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, add me as a friend.
Alright.
Look, it's my YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the video up like either tomorrow or the day after.
Okay.
Alright. She said your boy's a 10. Well, I might be hearing shit. She might not have said it. She said 8, didn't she? She said 8. Alright, cool. I don't give a fuck. That's still an L. I mean, that's still a W. I'm surprised ain't nobody calling me a 3, to be honest with you. I'm not even gonna lie. Because I would think I'm a 3. Psych. So what? 1 for 2? Let's see. This gonna be an easy 3. Watch this. What's up?
What's up?
Oh dang. You was a little girl.
I'm 8 years old.
That motherfucker said 18. It's that one said 18, y'all. Hold up. That mother straight said, she said I'm 8 years old. Lil' mama, that bitch say 18. What's up?
You look like my hello.
Y'all sound like some little,
You're cute, huh?
y'all sound like some little kids. Hey, little information for niggas who be on Monkey or whatever, or females. Like when y'all on your iPhone, all you do is just click the home button, swipe up, it'll end the car quicker. Little food for thought, you know what I'm saying? So where we at? 2 for 1? We up by 1, you know what I'm saying? What's up?
Hey.
Hey, can you do me a favor and rate me? I'm doing a YouTube video.
On scale 1 to 10?
Yeah.
6.
A 6? Dang. Ooh. Got him. It is the light, bro. What if I take my wig cap? Hold up, man. I'm so tired of getting called a 6, bro. It's that time. Where's the brush? Where's the brush? Where's the brush? Where's the brush? All right, we're gonna do it without the brush today. Let's go ahead. What's up?
Where you from?
Damn, why you got a knife?
I'm a psychopath.
Oh, damn. That ain't cool, then. I am a psychopath. The fuck she on, boy? I think it was the waves. You see him? Hold up. Maybe I think that's all I gotta do. What's up? Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you rate me?
Sure.
Yeah.
Right.
I said rate, like R-A-T-E. I'm losing. Catching big L's, boy. What's up?
Nice.
Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can y'all rate me?
You're 10.
10? Alright, what about, hey, add time. You said what?
11.
11? Alright.
100.
100? Hey. Alright.
I have
Alright, go.
you can like follow my Instagram.
Alright.
At Gonza.Angela.
Alright. You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's Angela Gonzalez. It's on my bio on my Instagram, so.
Alright. What about y'all? Y'all got one? Alright.
You can edit it, you can put like all of our little,
Alright, I got you. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all later.
Okay, bye.
That's 3 W's, G. So that just made up for all them little weak, ugly motherfuckers that was saying that shit. So yeah. So what is that? 3 + 2, 5. Boy, on the road, boy. What's up?
What's up, you?
Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you rate me?
Rate you?
Yeah.
Okay, what's being the highest?
Like 10.
Okay, 10. Okay. The lowest?
10 being the highest.
10 being the highest, I'd probably give you like 1.5.
Or 1.5?
You feel like a can't believe you.
That bitch said 1.5. Your little baby edges ass. And that shit wasn't even real baby edges. That shit was glued. He got glued on edges that be on YouTube. You see, I think she was hating on my waves. Cause my hair laying down better than hers. No homo. What are you talking about? For the niggas, no homo. But what's up? Hey, can y'all rate me? I'm doing a YouTube video.
Dude, hold on, we didn't do our intro. 1, 2.
She said 1, 2, 3, but then she did that. Dante, that's a dude, man. What's up?
Hey.
Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video right now. Could y'all rate me?
What? Rate you?
Yeah, like R-A-T-E.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel?
It's Trill Saucy.
It's what?
Trill Saucy.
Trim Saucy?
Trill, like T-R-I-L-L-S-A-U-C-E-Y.
Okay, what, you're gonna be able to do Wait, what would you guys rate him? No, you're the one, like, doing this. I don't really want to what? Wait, hold on. Just, like, hurry up, you have 29 seconds. Oh. You're a good 8.
8. Alright, what about everybody else?
Alright. Yeah, sure. I don't want to be in the video. Yeah, I don't want to be in the video. Okay.
Alright,
Yeah,
alright.
the video. Okay.
Alright.
Sorry.
Alright, cool. That's how you delete it, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, so what we at? Like 7, 8. I got 2 more people. 2 more. Let's see how this go, bro. I might do more, you know, if I'm feeling myself. Right now, I'm not feeling myself. I'm not feeling myself at all, dude. No homo. I ain't on none of that Beyonce shit. I think they hating on my waves, dude. It's coming in and they hating. It's coming in and they hating.
No idea.
What's up?
That no way. Is that wannabe Kylie Jenner? Is that wannabe Kylie Jenner?
Who? Hey. Hey, can y'all rate me? I'm doing a YouTube video.
What?
Can y'all rate me? I'm doing a YouTube video.
I can.
No, like R-A-T-E.
What?
Like R-A-T-E. Like rate from 1 to 10.
Is you gonna add me?
Is you gonna rate me?
No. No
Are you-
need to lie. Yeah, there's no need to lie.
Alright, go.
What time is it where you live? No. What time is it
It's 1 to 10.
where you live? Girl. Dang. I'm gonna ask questions. No, I'm trying to talk. What time is it where you live?
You gotta rate me first. Y'all asking too many questions, bro.
It's 104 where you live, so I just want to let you know. I'm trying to
Bro, people like this make me want to quit YouTube, bro. People like this make me want to quit YouTube, bro. This is my last one because y'all making me mad. Y'all making me mad, G. It's my last one, bro, because y'all got me fucked up, G. My next video, I swear I'm roasting y'all. I swear to God. I swear to God. I'm winning. We finna go to 9. Fuck the goofy shit. Unless it's a group of people in the video. What's up? Hey, can you do me a favor and rate me, bro?
What?
Rate me. R-A-T-E. Fuck it. Y'all know what? I quit. My camera finna go dead and everything, bro. With the goofy shit. I won regardless. Cause look, moral of the story is you supposed to think yourself is fine. You don't need nobody else to say you fine or not. Cause motherfucker, when I get my brush, you know, I think I ain't have my brush. I ain't brushed my hair. But look, moral of the story is you gotta think yourself. You gotta think you fine, alright? It starts with N first, alright? But yeah, man, if you like this video, man, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, man. If you're new, click that bell, post notification button. It's lit outside, you know, so it's lit in here, you know what I'm saying? But my camera friend died, and we lit, alright? Bling blah burr, Gucci Mane watch. So yeah, comment Saucy Gang if you like this video. Let's go ahead and get to 200 likes. I already got 500 subscribers. Why I can't get 200 likes? I get 200 people to watch a video, but y'all can't like it. Just imagine if everybody was to like my video. Everybody that watched my videos was to like it. That means our gang, and then, so say if it's 200 people that like this video. If y'all like it, then 200 other people gonna see the video on their little related videos or something like that, recommended videos, and then they gonna come with us. So our gang ain't gonna do nothing but get bigger. And then like these little punk, I almost said some cuss words, but I'm trying to lay off on them. But them little weak people down there on that phone, we gonna just overpower them. We already overpowering them, but man, let me go ahead and quit talking y'all heads off. But man, we lit. Stay tuned. I'm posting more videos like almost every day for real. And leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's get at it, man. 200 likes. Saucy Gang or no gang, nigga. Boom.
I finesse on the cash, put racks in the bank. Backwoods full of dank stank, Henny Coke for the drink. They wanna be my clone, DDG in the zone. Money all on my phone, I'm rich, I'm on. Same nigga from the yak, but I ain't never going back.